This is the nest of weaving bird. Around 18 kilometers from Mundra, there is a village called Jakpara where these weaving birds are found. You can see the nest of these weaving birds which are hanging from the dates plantation. The peculiarity of this weaving bird is that they make their nest. The male bird tries to make that nest hanging from the date tree, and below you can see some water. They make it in a manner that they have a protection from other predators, and they attract the female weaving bird by making these beautiful piece of art. This is what I say, love, the gift of nature. Wow, awesome. You can see these yellow birds. The lights are not clear. This is the month of monsoon, July 30th.